Welcome back. In this video, we're going over a small business income and expense tracking spreadsheet, and I'll be showing you how to easily keep track of income and expenses in a template. We're talking about the income statement, which is also called a profit and loss report or P&L report. If you're new here, my name's Amanda and you're watching the Business Finance Coach, where I simplify money and business to help you succeed. I'm the creator of the Master Your Accounting and Taxes program, which has unique spreadsheet templates that replace software like QuickBooks and have much more for tracking your tax records too. And there's the one-on-one support that many small business owners have been searching for. Plus, I give away the free Business Spreadsheet Template, which you can see here, with a training that goes over all the basics you need to know as a small business owner. And this is actually the second video in that series. So if you're new here and you want to get started with the free spreadsheet and this training, check out the link above or below me. Let's jump in. So what is an income statement? An income statement is where you track all the sales that you had in your business. Sales or income come from doing whatever you're in the business of doing. And then your business expenses are all the costs associated with doing business. They simply must be reasonable and ordinary for your industry. In general, as long as you're not trying to commit fraud, if you're spending money on something for your business that you wouldn't be spending if you didn't have the business, that's going to be a business expense. Let's jump into the free worksheet and I'll show you around. Here it is. So the first thing you're going to do, all these green cells are where you enter information. So you're going to enter labels for your income, and then we're going to enter the amounts for the month using a sum equation directly in the relevant row for that month. The spreadsheet will then total up your expenses for you. So if we come over here, in this example, we went through client A, client B, and client C, and went through those amounts for the month. Now, another way you might consider doing this is by the locations where you have business activity. So this could be your, USB bank account. This could be Venmo, maybe Square. Maybe you have a Discover credit card. Okay, this is not the way I recommend doing it using our complete spreadsheet template or an accounting software system. But when you're using our free worksheet and you're just trying to get organized and caught up, this might make a lot of sense because you'll go through each place and enter everything in the spreadsheet. Now, in this example, we're just primarily pulling our information from a bank statement and also a savings and some credit cards as well over here, some credit card transactions. If we look at our February transactions here on our bank statement, we are going to enter the amounts for client A and B. So client A had another $2,500 and client B had $1,500 again, and nothing for client C. Now, when it comes to our expenses, and this applies if you had multiple payments for income as well, we're going to enter an equation to add up all of our office supplies for the month. I'm going to press equals, and we're going to come over here, and we can see we had $250 in our bank account. The next one is software. We had another charge for $15, and we had Facebook advertising of $180, YouTube advertising of $120. Marketing was $50 again. Meals and entertainment was $400. Okay, now if we go over to our credit card, we're going to need to add in some costs we had a bunch more Facebook advertising on the credit card. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to double click into here. I'm going to add an equals sign, and then I'm going to do a plus sign and add in these additional amounts. $214.49 plus $210.82 plus $412.68. Okay, so now you can see we added up all the different amounts for that type of expense. And now all of our expenses are adding together to $1,853, We made $4,000 that month, so our net income is $2,147. And then you do that month by month and you'll have your totals for the year. Now, this example of an income statement over here is actually from our Master Your Accounting and Taxes complete spreadsheet templates, because with these templates, we are categorizing with accounts. So as you can see, this is more extensive. We have accounts we set up. We have an entry worksheet for each of our bank and credit card or liability accounts, where we track on each row all the details that would have been on a receipt or an invoice about the transaction, the date, the business purpose, the amount. And then we have these drop-down menus, which are our custom categorization that we're able to select to categorize each transaction. And then our reports actually sum automatically. So in our auto accounting spreadsheet template, you don't enter amounts on the income statement. They're being summed up throughout the spreadsheet. Now, in the next video of this series, we're going to talk about the bank statement and the bank reconciliation worksheet. Our next worksheet is the bank reconciliation, which will explain how we make sure we're accounting for all of the income and expenses. Okay, so if you're going through the free course, I will see you in the next video. Otherwise, if you have questions or comments, I'd love to hear from you. And if you're new here, consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.